Boys and girls watching, it is Seatwork time. Let's look at our Seatwork paper. Today's paper has the letter X. What does X say? Good. Let's look at it. At the top of our paper, there is a blue little X. So you're going to trace little X. Then you will go down and trace the X's in the houses. When you have houses, what kind of work is that? Pencil work. Good job. So you will do your pencil work. You will trace some little X's and make some of your very own X's. Complete both rows, and then you can color the cute little fox. Now, fox, where do you hear the sound? In the beginning or the end? At the end. Good job. It's at the end. Fox. Say that with me. Fox. Good. Then you can color, and then when you're done coloring, you can turn your paper over. When you're done coloring and you've turned your paper over, we have two special jobs we're going to do here at the top. The first thing you're going to do is use your pencil and match the things that go together. A box, what usually comes on a present at the top? A bow. A bow. So a bow would go on top. Ooh, what would you use that axe for? To cut a tree down, yes. And then the doggy, what does he like to eat? Bone. A bone. Good job. So you will match the things that go together. Now, we get to circle too. Whoa. So you're going to circle pictures that end in the X sound. What does X say? Good. So let's look at the pictures. The first picture is a box. Say it. Box. Do you think we should circle that one? Yes. Yes. How about an axe? Axe. What do you think? Yes. Yes, we will circle the axe. How about dog? No. No. How about tree? No. No. How about bone? No. And how about a bow? No. No. So how many pictures are you going to circle? 2. There are 2 that you will circle, and that is all pencil work. Then you will color the pictures, and when you're all done coloring the pictures, then you can go down and finish the rows. Make sure you do both rows and do your very best. Now let's look right here. I have our house right here. Sometimes X can be a little bit tricky, but it's also a lot of fun. Let me show you. I'm going to trace this one first. We start at the red dot. We're going to curve up to the dotted line. We get to curve around down, kind of like going on a slide. Then we're going to go down and end in a great big smile. Then you pick up your pencil, you go back to the dotted line, and you slant down to make little X. So let me show you again so you can see how to write it all by yourself. We start at the red dot. We're going to curve up to the dotted line. We're going to curve down to the pink carpet and end in a great big smile. Then we go to the dotted line and we go slant down just like that to make little X. I know you're going to work hard today. Make sure you do your best, trace neatly, and color, and do your very best on your Seatwork today.